Hi, in this video, I'll demonstrate how to ingest a local CSV file into Databricks and create a managed table. First, from the left-hand menu, I navigate to Data Ingestion section. In this window, I click Create or Modify Table. Next, I browse to open the file selector and choose a CSV file from my local system. After uploading, Databricks displays a preview of the dataset and automatically detects the schema including column names and data types. At the top of the page, I verify the catalog is set to appropriate workspace catalog and the schema is set to the desired schema such as default. Once the settings are confirmed, I click Create Table. If not redirected automatically, I navigate to Catalog section from the left panel. Then I locate the selected catalog and schema, open the newly created table and review the Overview tab to inspect metadata and schema details. At this point, the local CSV file has been successfully ingested and registered as managed table in Databricks. Now I open the SQL editor and run a simple select query to validate the data. The results confirm that the table has been successfully created and is ready for analysis.